A very good afternoon to all my dear students, and I am teacher Sana, your English teacher, and today I am here to welcome you all to a new class, to a new beginning. So from today onwards, I am going to take your English subject. So students, you can see on the screen that this is your English textbook. The name of your textbook is English Balbharti Standard 3. So now, this textbook is published by Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, Pune. So see, this is the page of your book. This all is the introduction part, that who has written your textbook, where is the office of this textbook. This is written on this page. This is the Constitution of India. On every page of every textbook, you will be able to see the Constitution of India. Now students, do you remember that when you were in the school, we used to recite this preamble daily in our school? When we used to do prayers, after our prayers we used to recite the preamble every day. This is the national anthem of India. So we also used to recite this national anthem, and this is the pledge. The pledge which we all used to say on 26th January and also on Republic Day. So here we are going to see the index page. Now we are going to see the index page of your English textbook. So students, your English textbook is divided into 4 units. Unit 1 is having 10 topics. Unit 2 is having 10 topics. Unit 3 is having 9 topics. And Unit 4 is having 9 topics. So students, in every topic, in every unit, you can see that the words which are highlighted in black, the words which are written in bold letters, they are poems, and the rest, they are the lessons, means they are story types. So in Unit 1, there are poems and also there are lessons. Same in Unit 2, there are 3 poems and remaining are the lessons and activity based topics. In Unit 3, there are 3 poems and remaining are the activity based lessons and stories. And in Unit 4, you are having 3 poems and the remaining are lessons and some activity based lesson. So students, today we are going to revise the new poem, and the page number of that poem is page number 1. Page number 1, and it is from Unit 1. The name of your poem is A Pretty Game. So students, what you all can see here? We can see here in the picture that there is sun. The sun is shining very brightly. In the next picture we can see the green color mountains, grass, birds flying, soft white clouds, and yes, a colorful rainbow. Now, how many colors the rainbow is having? The rainbow is having 7 colors. Now, what are the 7 colors of rainbow? We will name the colors of rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And the last picture is of the cloud which is raining very heavily. Now we will start reciting the poem. So now we will start reciting your poem. The name of your poem is A Pretty Game. So now we will recite two lines. First we will recite the lines. So students, pay attention to how I am going to pronounce the words. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. So this is the first two lines of the poem. The next two lines are, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So, your poem is just having 6 lines. So, now we will read out the first 2 lines and I will explain the first 2 lines to you. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. Now, what is the meaning of fickle? The word in red color, fickle. Now, what is the meaning of fickle? Fickle means the thing which changes very fast, the thing which changes very quickly or suddenly. So, now, what is the meaning of this line? Means, now which season is there? Rainy season. But is it raining for the whole day and night? No. First, the climate is sunny. But within a fraction of time, the sun goes away and what comes? Rain. So that only it is written in the poem that within some time, very quickly, the climate changes. The sun stops shining and the rain starts falling very heavily. Now, because of this, the sun and the rain, they are playing hide and seek. Now, you all also love to play hide and seek. So, now, when the rain is coming, the sun have to go and hide. And when the rain is hiding, that time the sun comes up and shines very brightly. So, here the climate is changing very fast. Fickle means very fast. What is changing? The weather, the climate. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it is rainy. So this is changing very quickly. And what the sun and rain is doing? The sun and the rain, they are playing hide and seek. The next 2 lines. And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. Now, what is the meaning of this line? The line is trying to say us that when the sun is hiding and the rain is waiting outside, he is searching for sun, that where is the sun? Now what at this time what the sun and rain is doing? They are trying to run behind one and another. Chase means to run after someone to catch. When we are playing hide and seek, what we do? We hunt for that person, we search for that person and we try to catch that person. So same way, the sun and the rain, from their places where they are hiding, from that place they are trying to catch one another, because they are hiding, because sometimes rain is there and sometimes sun is there. That's why the places from where they are hiding, they are trying to catch one another. Next line. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now, you can see rainbow over here. Students, do you know when we can see a rainbow? When the sun is shining very brightly, and also the rain is raining at the same time. Means sun is shining and the rain is also raining. Both the times at same time. When these things happen at the same times, we can see a colorful rainbow. When the sun is shining and the rain is falling at the same time, that time we can see a colorful rainbow which is having 7 colors. Now what are the colors of rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red. So now at the last moment, the sun and the rain, they both are meeting. They both came together. And when they met each other, they are saying goodbye. And when these two friends meet, when the sun and rain, they meet together, they come at one place together. At that time, a beautiful, colorful rainbow is spreading from one end to the other end of the sky. What is the meaning of span? Span means spreading from one end to the other end. So here the rainbow is shining from the one end to the another end. So now students, this was your poem. Once again we will recite the poem. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now we will see some meanings related to the poem. So here you can see some meanings. The meanings are from the poem. There are some hard words in the poem which are difficult to understand. So for that reason they have given us the meanings. What does the word mean? So first word is fickle. 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 Now what is the meaning of fickle? Fickle means something that changes quickly or suddenly. Next word is chase. 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 Chase means run after somebody to catch that person. And the last word is spanned. 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 Spanned means spread from one end to the other. So student, what is your today's work? Today you are going to recite the poem and write that in your notebook, and also copy down these 3 meanings in your English notebook. So we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till that time, take care of yourself and complete all your worksheets. Thank you.